Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 2, Introduction, Cloud Business Value. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses are continually seeking innovative ways to enhance efficiency, agility, and competitiveness. One of the most transformative technologies driving this change is cloud computing. The concept of cloud computing involves delivering a variety of services over the internet, encompassing everything from data storage and processing to software applications and platforms. Business value of the cloud. Cost efficiency. One of the primary benefits of cloud computing is the reduction in capital expenditure. Businesses no longer need to invest heavily in servers, data centers, and associated maintenance costs. Instead, they can adopt a pay-as-you-go model, paying only for the resources they use. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud services offer unparalleled scalability, enabling businesses to expand or contract their resources based on demand. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for handling peak loads, seasonal variations, or unexpected surges in usage without significant downtime or over-provisioning. Enhanced collaboration and mobility. The cloud facilitates seamless collaboration among employees, regardless of their geographical locations. Tools and applications hosted in the cloud can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, promoting remote work and improving overall productivity. Innovation and speed to market. By leveraging cloud platforms, businesses can accelerate their innovation cycles. Cloud environments provide the necessary infrastructure to develop, test, and deploy new applications quickly, allowing companies to bring products and services to market faster than ever before. Improved security and compliance. Leading cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, offering advanced protection against cyber threats. Additionally, they help businesses comply with various regulatory requirements by providing built-in compliance features and regular audits. Data analytics and insights. Cloud computing enables the collection, storage, and analysis of vast amounts of data. Businesses can leverage cloud-based analytics tools to gain valuable insights, make data-driven decisions, and improve operational efficiency. Disaster recovery and business continuity. The cloud offers robust solutions for disaster recovery and business continuity. Cloud-based backup and recovery services ensure that critical data is protected and can be restored quickly in the event of a disaster, minimizing downtime and loss.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.